Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. So we have f is defined as fx, which is equals to exponent x minus the 2. Shows that the function f inverse exists, and hence find the f inverse. So how to show whether the function f inverse exists or not? The answer is one-to-one function. So f bracket x sub 1 equals to f bracket x sub 2. So exponent x sub 1 minus 2. Exponent x sub 2 minus the 2. So we can compare the situation because we have the same base. X sub 1 minus 2 equals to x sub 2 minus the 2. So x sub 1 equals to x sub 2. Then we can say fx is one-to-one function. Then f inverse exists. Then we already shown the situation given. Next, let the y is equals to fx. So f inverse of y, which is equals to x. So y is equals to exponent x minus 2. Ln both sides. So we have ln y equals to x minus the 2. So x is equals to ln y plus with the 2. So f inverse of y, which is equals to ln y plus with the 2. F inverse of x, which is equals to ln x plus with the 2. So that is the f inverse. Ln x plus with the 2. And we have the fx, which is equals to exponent x minus the 2. So kindly refers to B. State the domain and range for the f inverse. So the domain for the f inverse, which is equals to range for the f. Then the range for the f inverse actually equals to the domain for the f. So kindly refers to the situation in here. As for this case, so focus the graph for the situation fx, where we have exponent x minus the 2 and with the domain x greater equals to 2. So based on the situation, here will be the graph. Then we have the fx. Notice that here they mention x must be greater equals to 0. Let's say here we have 1 and here we have the 2. So here will be the location. So what we have to do is to erase this part, because they mentions that x must be greater equals to 2. So if x is equals to 2, then the value of y will be exponent 0, which is equals to 1. So the point would be 2, 1. Next, we have to focus on the f inverse, which is equals to ln x plus with the 2. So we have to reflect based on the situation. So here we have to reflect. So here we have the point 2, 1. Then now it becomes 1, 2. So we have the name 1, 2. So the graph will be something like this. Then that is the graph for f inverse of x. So here we have the y-axis and the x-axis. So that is the graph. So now focus on the domain and range for the f inverse. So domain for the f inverse, so kindly refers to graph. So here we have 1 until infinity. As for the range for the f inverse, so here we have the situation, minimum value of y will be 2 until infinity. So that is the domain and range for the f inverse. Then on the same axis, sketch the graph. So we already sketched the graph. State their relationship between the two graphs. So we can say f inverse of x is the reflection graph for the fx about the line y is equals to x. So that is the reflection axis. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.